Hello, welcome to Genius Dreams Education channel. Today we are going to look at how we can design this logo within some few minutes. So before we will start, please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop and website development. So first of all, I'm going to create my new working space. And I'm going to use the 3 by 3 with a resolution of 300. Then I'll create. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go in for my test 2. So I'm going to write this logo is for Genius Dreams logo. So I'm going to write test, that's GD, and that's what I'm going to use basically to design it. So I'm going to select, I'm going to choose a font family for my G. So the font family I'm going to use is the Algerian, that's the Algerian font family, and I'll set my height to somewhere about 200% and set the size of somewhere about 60. Then let me drag it here. So let me increase the size small. Let me check 70. Okay, let me use 70. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the D. I'll choose a font family for D2 to be the same Algerian. Then increase the font size to same 72. And then I'm going to increase the height to 200%. Then let me drag it. So I'm going to merge the two like this. So after merging them, I'm going to group them, Ctrl G, and call it as GD. So the next thing is I'm going for the rectangular marquee tool. So hold Alt, then you scroll it to zoom in. So I'm going to get rid of this part. So first of all, let me rasterize it, then rasterize it before. So then after that, let me delete that part. Then let me select this small one and delete it. Then let me come here and delete this small one. So now it's okay. Let me zoom it back. So I'll then go in for my test and I'll need a vertical test. So I'm going to write a vertical test. Then I'll come here. Let me change my font size to somewhere about 10. Decrease the height to 100. And then I'm going to type Genius Dreams. So Genius as my first test and type Dreams as my next test. So the next thing is I'm going to drag this test within this image. So I'll take this one and bring it here and take the dreams to bring it here. So I'll then go for my test 2 again, and this time I want to give a horizontal test. So I'm going to write designs. Then let me position it under this one. So that's Genius Dreams design. So now you can see we are done with everything within some few minutes. So the next thing is I'm going to group all my tests. So let me click on G, and then let me name it as test. So let me drag it. So let me move it from the first group not, the mouse is not all that. Okay, so now let me group this G and G again, and then let me call it as GD. So now we are done with the flyer, the logo. So I'm going to group all and then move all to the middle here. So let me press on Ctrl T and then adjust it small. This one is now okay for now. So the next thing is this is the black version. And if you want to add color to your logos too, you can also do same and add colors to it. So I want to add some color to my text. So I'll then go and select the text layer and going for the color I want here. I want to use an image to provide my color as usual. And I'm going to use this image. So I'm going to create clipping marks for the color and then also going for another color for the G and D2. So the same thing, I'll go in for another color for that part too. I'm going to use this color for that one. So I'll click on it and create clipping marks for that one too. So the next thing is let me position the design well. So for this, I'm going to draw a rectangle and put this my text inside that rectangle. So I'm going for the rectangular tool and then draw a rectangle around it. So I'll then drag it inside to make the edges round and press enter. So I'm going to choose the filling color with no color and then set my stroke to black, press enter. So now I'm going to position it well and make sure that it is aligned with this image and then go and select the design and position my design to within that rectangle. So let me then zoom it out. So now you can see this is our final logo. So I'm going to select group all. So I'm going to click Ctrl T. Let me zoom it in and then I'm going to shift it small, rotate it small, then press enter. So now you can see our logo now. So we can go and add some brightness to it. And some contrast. Then after that, we can also add hue and saturation to choose a desired or a preferred color for our logo. So now you can see as we are adjusting it, you see the different colors you get. Then you choose the one you like. The different colors we can get. So I'm going to use this one. Then let me work on the brightness more. So now I think this one is okay. So we are done with this logo too. So let me view this logo within. So in terms of the black background, you can see how the logo looks like. So Genius Dreams Design. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and make Please subscribe to my channel to get weekly videos on Photoshop and website development. Goodbye.